Oh, yay. Okay, falafel yasu, everybody. Today we have Kiva with us. Io wasn't able to make it, so we're just gonna have a short chat. Falafel yasu. I'm Silau, and this is Kiva Jackson. Yeah, falafel yasu. So we're just gonna have a short catch up. Ina, our usual co-host, she's in Niue at the arts festival. Yeah, and Io, well, we don't know what has happened to
MIA.
MIA. So we waited for about an hour. So we thought we'll just, before my phone dies, we'll just go ahead and have a short chat. Yeah. So we're gonna be talking in English because to cater for yeah. That's okay. Oh, I guess it's the same for a lot of our young people here in New Zealand.
That's
so
right. It's good to do things like this, though, to get used to speaking Niuean and just conversational and make it feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Because, you get nervous and you're like, oh, I don't want to say anything wrong. Or...
True, right? Okay. So is that really the reason? I think that's a lot of young people can relate. They're embarrassed to say.
Yeah.
They're not
to
going to
make
say
mistakes.
it right. To make mistakes.
It's okay. You have to be in those.
Because the older people were like vale,
Yeah.
They're like, and then you just make put you down.
Yeah, and then So it's nice to feel it's okay to make mistakes when you're speaking because it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
You just correct them and move along.
I think the understanding of the amateurs and the young people are very different.
That's
so
right.
I think as part of this program, the Niue language roots, we try to accept all those differences and meet in the middle kind of thing. So as a way forward, right?
Right. Because if you only exclude to Niuean speaking people, there's so many of our kids out there who are doing really cool stuff.
Yeah.
But because of the language barrier, you wouldn't have them on the show if it was solely Niuean language. So little capability is better than none, yeah?
Yeah. Well, it's really nice to have you tonight. Supposed to be with Io, but I'll take the opportunity to welcome you on behalf of our team. This was your first time, and you had Carlos on last week.
Yeah.
And as you can see, Kiva is quite, talented in fofo making, so he's self-taught.
One-trick pony is the only thing I can do.
Yeah, so how about tell us how you started with making fofos.
I always saw people walking around with them. They look really cool. And my nana used to make them when I was little, but I never really paid attention to what she was doing.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I think it's just like many Niueans my age, trying to reconnect with their culture.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then I thought, I might as well give it a go.
Yeah.
I think that's the best advice I would say if you're trying to get into crafting. Yeah. Just give it a go.
Just try it out.
Yeah, just try. Yeah. When I first started my fofo, oh my gosh, they were so ugly. They probably still are, I don't know. I think I've got a bit better.
It's very nice.
You like it?
Yeah, it's very pretty and neat and
Yeah, my flowers were falling out. They were kale with ofisi.
Yeah.
But that's right. Just start.
And look at you now. You're very confident, and you can actually make nice fofos and give it out to people and gift it out. And
I started. I don't sell them. I just make it. Try and make it. Whoever wants to wear it, you wear it because it's good practice.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah.
So I would encourage people if you're keen to learn, or you just try. Teach yourself.
That's right. I mean, it's the same. It's the same for me. Like, I'm from Niue, but I considered myself too busy to do anything like weaving and things like that. Then I come here and I find myself very disconnected and just a simple get together with Ina, like to do some weaving was like it connected me, made me feel like I'm Niuean.
Yeah.
So like identity wise,
right.
And I think. And I was watching one of the documentaries, our tours that do weaving here. That's how they connect back home as well. That's pretty why they keep doing it.
Yeah.
And they keep working on their weaving, even if they're using all sorts of stuff, like, raffia or...
Yeah.
Well, did you mention that your grandmother used to use...
Plastic bags.
Yeah,
they would shred the plastic bags too. I guess that's what raffia is, kind of.
Yeah.
If you shred it thin like this, and then they maybe weave the gato, really.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They're very really crafty. Our people. They're very
creative.
Yeah, very creative.
Yeah. And I guess you have to work with what you have.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you can't source the lo-fi.
Yeah, exactly.
From anywhere. Yeah. Well, it's the same thing with me. I had to start. I kind of refreshed my knowledge and my skills.
Right.
And this is actually my first bulo. Well, it's kind of looking something like a bulo. But I just been talking. Now I'm gonna do it, and then I just thought last week, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it.
Yeah.
And I thought I'll not be so great at it, but
just that, It's
actually really nice, and
you did a good job.
And I was supposed to be working on my assignment last week, so I was more into weaving my blowing. Yeah.
Well, doing a good
That's
job.
why yeah.
And who taught you how to
your
pulo?
No one. I watched.
Yeah.
Most of the time, I watched my nana. Yeah. So I watched her, and just her motions. How she's, moving around her weaving, and when I'm actually doing it, and you kind of understand.
Yeah.
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 How to pull, tighten or connect. Yeah. So all these different techniques that you need to make the blue.
Right.
Yeah. Because you need to have like that tightened look and not boo. But obviously mine's a bit boo boo.
No, you're doing a good job.
Yeah, and I'm trying to shape it to the
yeah. So is it just naturally shaped that way?
No. It's a new. See the way we to shape it.
Okay.
So so you chisel it out and make it into the shape of the head. So you have different shapes. So I think the square shape is more for the men.
Okay.
And then the round shape is more for the women.
Right.
Yeah.
So they're so smart.
It's just observations.
Yeah.
By just being around the old people.
Yeah.
So
you just observe it through osmosis.
Yeah.
And it's not even just the weaving or the doing the fulfill, but it's the things you spending time together.
That's right.
Talking to it's exactly like you guys do every week.
Yeah.
Just using the Niue language.
So you've been watching the
of course.
perspectives.
When I can tune in, I tune in.
Yeah.
It's a really good thing that you guys have got going. So we appreciate it.
Oh, that's nice to hear. Yeah, so I think Carlos last week.
Oh yeah.
He came on and he brought in his Sia.
Sia.
I was
I saw it. Good job, Carlos.
Yeah, really well. So
yeah.
he was explaining the time, you know, that he's been spending time with his younger cousins, girl cousins, and his nana, and just, you know, working on the thea and just talking, singing songs. So yeah.
It's those moments
those are like quality time, exactly, right? That's what you call quality time.
Yeah, and
that's really missing in our young people.
It's hard.
What would be your quality time when you were younger?
Just a hard one. I have to think about it. Quality time.
Movies.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Movies. Well, with the internet now, and you have the internet in your pocket wherever you go.
Yeah.
People's heads down on their phones.
Yes.
Watching Weaving Perspectives instead of talking to their nana. No, but you know what I mean. Like, it's a digital age, and we can be so consumed by other things when really, and it's a busy world out there, and we're all trying to survive, and you're working hard to make money for your family. Yeah. Make a living for yourself, pay the bills. That's right. So it's hard to really slow down sometimes and just connect with the people around you.
That's right. Connect,
the people
right?
you love.
Yeah.
Yeah. And do things like this. So it's nice to get a chance to sit down and have a chat.
I used to run away when you know, from parents and grandparents. Just run away and go play in the field and just go hang out with friends. Yeah. You know, like,
because at the time it doesn't seem like a priority to you, right?
And it's not, you know, you have different plans for your life, kind of thing. Not meaning.
Nah. And then I think I got to a point where I was yearning for that, to get back in touch with my culture, with my heritage. Yes. And that's why
identity.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're really wanting to know more about yourself and where you come from. Yeah. Yeah.
And you get sick of waiting around
for somebody
to do it. Yeah.
Bring you up to speed.
Yeah.
You just have to do it yourself, right?
Do it yourself, right? That's the best advice. Just do it yourself.
That's right. Well, that's really good. I mean, it's really good to connect and just touch base, kind of get to know you, because I'm from Niue. I hardly know a lot of the young Niueans. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's really good to be able to get to know young people who are interested in weaving, you know, and it's quite inspiring to for other young people as well to know that there are other people, older,
just like you,
young people, then wants to know, like your culture and like how to, because there's nothing wrong with. And I'm trying to figure out how to do this right now.
like me.
I think I'm just stuck.
The sequence of my flowers is wrong.
I need to figure this out. So, so thank you for the books.
Oh, that's okay.
So, Kiva has gifted us some Niuean dual language children's books, because you work for the
Ministry of Education.
Yeah, so homo we'll probably do like a giveaway.
Yeah. Figure out, I don't know.
Yeah, figure out how to gift these out to some young families who would like, you know, to
kids in school.
Yeah. So
it's hard to get resources these days for data and Whangahoniwi.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, so we get what we can when we can.
It's my first time to see these.
Oh, really?
Actually. Yeah.
If you are a teacher or you're connected to a school or an early childhood centre. You can order those online for your school or for your centre, and it's free.
For free.
Yeah, so go to Google. I'm not sure of the website. Google thechair.co.nz. It's the Ministry of Education resource centre, and maybe if you're a school or ECE centre, you can register and then order them online for your kids. And it's free.
It is free.
Yeah, I'd encourage you to do it. Not a lot of people know that it's there for you to use. Unfortunately, not available to the general public as yet, but hopefully in the future we'll find some way to get it out there.
Probably share it in the Waho Niue Trust page.
It's true, yeah.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah. So it's trying to be good to connect with all these existing groups in New Zealand.
Why reinvent the wheel when there's already people out there who
are? Exactly. There's people out there who's interested in doing the same thing, exactly, right? Yeah. So it'll be good to connect with people and and see where we can go. Oh yeah, I've been really sick this past week.
I'm just getting better.
You're just getting better? I think mine's
excuse me. Maybe not, but
I've just been maxed out with my assignments.
Student life, eh?
That's what happens when you leave
to the last minute.
And procrastinating and don't do that. So yeah, I'm so happy that I completed that assignment and now I am weaving and it's like, oh, my brain is relaxed.
Do you feel relaxed when you're weaving?
I kind of, it's therapeutic. So I feel like stuttering.
Cathartic. You get your,
So I'm stressed out. And so when I was weaving my blow, I was like, oh wow, I'm like, I feel better. So I feel better.
Maybe that's the trick. Enroll yourself into a master's program, and then you'll get good at weaving because you start weaving instead of doing your assignment.
True. But it is getting cold.
It's like we had no autumn. It just was summer, finished straight into winter.
Into winter, right?
Yeah.
That's, I know, right? Like, I'm trying to, not get sick. But the cold has just been abrupt.
Yeah.
And suddenly...
Unforgiving, eh?
It was hot and then suddenly it's freezing.
Yeah.
And, I think I need to acclimatize a little bit.
Yeah.
I've been,
that's the new way.
Lacking sleep. New and me, yeah. So it's been lacking a lot of sleep and water. Yeah. So if you're studying or just look after yourself.
Yeah.
Trying to
self-care.
Self-care, yeah.
Keep hydrated. Regular meals. Lots of sleep.
Lots of sleep.
Yeah.
That's what I lacked.
Not staying up till 6 a.m. to finish your assignment.
Yeah, well, some people are just hopeless, eh? I'm like, oh my goodness, I should have done this a while ago.
But it's very inspiring though, when you hear of other Niueans who are going into further education.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that makes you really proud.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it is. I mean, I think I saw one girl today on Facebook. I think she's from Lakepa. She graduated her master's in management.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, and I was like, wow.
Good job.
I think she's from the Silingi family.
Okay, congratulations.
Yeah. And
that's really nice.
Yeah, Bonape this week? He graduated in IT, in a degree in
I saw that.
yeah, and he did that beautiful takalo. Speaking of takalos, I'm probably not getting into that.
Yeah, maybe that's what.
To the color discussion.
After hours.
That's quite controversial. Well, let's just leave it at that.
Yeah, I know. I'm not saying anything.
But yeah, so he graduated in IT.
Good job. I think I saw he's up in Niue now, eh?
Yeah, he's helping Glenn with the festival.
Hi to all of those people in Niue who are enjoying the cultural arts festival.
Ina.
We miss you, Ina.
She is doing her maile, efofos.
I can smell them now.
Smell them. So Bonape graduated in IT, and his cousin Frida Haisi, I think, graduated as well. Undergrad.
Okay, there's new ones out there doing great things, eh?
Yeah, I mean it's admirable that they persevered to the end. Na Bona said gua moho te umuhe tau. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yes.
So that it's cooked.
See it through to the end.
See it through to the end, yeah.
Make sure it's done.
And make sure it's done, yeah. So awesome things.
Good job, congratulations to everybody who's graduating this week or last week.
It's good to see also some students at Auckland Uni.
Yeah.
We're trying to start up the association.
Oh, the newest students association.
Yeah, they call it NAFA.
NAFA, like isn't it a drum?
Yeah.
Yeah?
NAFA is a drum. Not a drummer. Yeah, kind of
a percussion instrument.
Yeah, an instrument.
Yeah.
But it's Niue Association. Oh, I'm not sure. The initials.
I don't know.
But interestingly, I went to inquire to Opisa, to maybe start it up again.
Yeah.
Because this hasn't been active.
Yeah.
And the president of Opisa, which is the Pacific student body in Auckland Uni, gave me a booklet.
Yeah.
And it had like a compilation of all the graduates from Auckland Uni who are Niuean. And my dad was poring over the booklet. It was really interesting to see all these people who's graduated in the past, but I think it needs it's behind by about 10 years. So it needs updating from year 2008, I think was the last
I didn't know that existed.
But it was it was really
cool.
nice.
It's good to know.
Yeah, and the association was actually started, I think, by Nuhi Sifa Williams.
Yeah.
Dr.
Shout out to Dr. Nuhi.
Yeah. Because it was so it was really interesting to come across.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that
maybe
booklet.
You can be the one when you get your master's to update the book.
Definitely, I think I would like to update it.
Yeah.
And include everyone else that has graduated from 2008 till now.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure who they are, but there are a few of us now in campus, but we just need to get together.
Connect.
Yeah. And not feel too lonely when you're in campus.
I know.
Because I hardly see any new ones.
It's nice that you have that the instant connection. Even if you don't know each other, you just both know your new man.
Yeah. Well, they're like more my sister's generation.
Okay.
I'm not quite.
But you're so young.
But
you're only 16.
Yes, I'm only 16.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
It is life as a mature student, it would be different.
It's
How do you find it? Is it different to when you were doing your undergrad?
Yeah, it's very different doing postgrad. And I wouldn't say I'm a mature student.
Oh, sorry.
Because there are mature students on campus, you know, like way mature.
Yes.
I would say I'm not probably fit into just the older person.
You're still part of the cool kids.
But yeah, definitely a different experience to be in Auckland Uni. Yeah. Because I did most of my studies in Fiji.
In the USPA?
Yeah, USP. Yeah, so postgraduate in Auckland Uni, totally different.
Wow, that's an experience in itself.
Yeah.
My alma mater is AT. I started at Auckland Uni, University of Auckland.
Yeah.
And then I shifted over.
Why did you shift?
To AT.
Did you feel more accepted or comfortable around
well, that's my own
environment?
personal experience. Maybe others are different, but
because I felt the same when I first started this semester when I walked into the classroom. It was like everyone was giving me that look, and I was like, what? Like, you know.
Yeah.
And there was no Pacific Islander in my class, so I was thinking, is there some kind of am I missing something?
You're not the only one.
But then you know, I think then I find the understanding. Eventually, I understood the kind of environment that Auckland Uni is for Pacific Islander students. Yeah. And that's probably why they have a lot of the support mechanisms.
Yes. And you should utilize
in place.
Wow.
Yeah. So there's a whole level in one of the buildings all for Pacific Island students.
Is there C space? Is it still called C space? I think
so. Level 4?
Yeah. The cool kids. Way back when I was at uni.
Because when I first started the semester, I'll be hanging around the food court when I have my lunch, and I'm like, and they're like walking past and then they disappear, and I'm like sitting amongst all these Asian people. I'm like, okay. Then I found out that they're level 4. I'm like, okay.
You see, now level 4. Place to go.
Yeah. But I guess it's called racism.
No, straight up. Call it what it is.
Yeah. You know, they against.
They already have this
preconceived idea of Pacific Island people, right?
That's why you go in and you sit in the front. Answer all the questions.
Oh, I don't have to prove myself to you.
Yeah, that's true. More you do whatever you want to do. Whatever gets you over the line.
Exactly. Whatever gets you over the line. That's a good one. Yeah. But definitely no last minute stuff. And attend classes. And the one thing I hate about Auckland Uni is the parking. Well,
oh my gosh.
You're
so
doing
bad.
public transport, that's fine.
Yeah.
I drive. And it's so expensive.
Yeah, the parking is expensive.
East Tamaki is way better.
Yeah. I've never been to that campus before.
Yeah, free parking. Well, the only good thing was free parking and it's quiet.
Yeah.
Relaxing. Yeah.
I used to park at the bottom of that big hill in Parnell.
Yeah, me too.
And then walk up. Get to uni.
I'll work out, get park and there, get exercise.
But
when I get to class, I'm like passed out so bad. I'm like, I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Yeah.
Need a moment outside the door to compose myself.
Exactly.
I go inside the classroom. Monitoring the live. We're busy weaving and talking. There's only the two of us here.
Yeah.
But thank you, Kiva, for coming.
Thank you
and
for having
it was nice meeting you, and hopefully we'll be able to get back in connected some more, do some more weaving when Ina and Io reappears. But I'm holding the fort for now.
You're doing a good job.
We're trying to get a live in every week. Yeah, and also the radio program on Tuesdays.
Starting what time?
3 to 6 p.m. And that's the bilingual one.
And then it's full.
And then it's 6 o'clock onwards is more. It's just new end.
Okay.
So the bilingual is more for the cater for like young people who are keen to learn Niuean, so that you can listen and then they can hear both the English and the Niuean translation. Yeah. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. If you were tuning in, and catch the replay as well if you like.
Oh, happy birthday as well to my brother. It's his birthday today. Happy birthday, Freed.
Happy birthday, Freed. Okay.
Aí, amor, tudo.
Vamos